to this planet. I want to be here today with you so that I may speak to you directly, so that you may hear from me how Europe is waiting for you. Waiting and hoping that you will take yet another step towards the Union. Your country is a candidate to become a member of the European Union. Since 2005, many of you here, and many, many more who are absent, have worked so hard to become a member of the European Union. And only 4 years later, in 2008, the European Commission recommended that we open accession negotiations with Turkey. Since then, we have consistently